Simply the best.
Thank you. You may leave.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Enjoy your coffee.
Come up here. Take the tray.
Oh.
Hurry up and leave. Hurry up.
Sorry. Enjoy. Your boyfriend is here.
Whose boyfriend? Jacob is here. Jacob is here.
Ah, here she is.
It's been a while. I like the hair.
You were so busy the last time I didn't even get to say hello.
Chichi, me. I have time for you. Please, I have time for you.
Does that include time after your shift ends?
It depends on what you have in mind.
Nothing serious, just ice cream from the best place I know.
That means you'll find yourself waiting till my shift is over.
Well, I'm in no rush to go home.
Okay.
From the way you're smiling, I think I know your answer.
My answer to yours is the same as yours to mine. Or?
And what is the question?
Your usual hot chocolate, right?
Absolutely.
Coming right to it.
Okay.
Hey Jacob.
Hey Malik.
How is it going?
I'm good.
See that? Can I see you outside for a second?
Right now?
Yeah, right now. What's going on with you?
What do you mean?
I saw you with a certain customer yesterday.
We didn't speak much. Plus, what's the issue? He's a regular customer.
Trust me, the only thing regular about him is how often he's here.
Is there something going on I do not know? Is he doing something illegal?
Look, I am not saying he's a bad person, Jacob. All I'm saying is that there's something about him that I just can't place a finger on. Please, just be careful. You know I care for you.
All right.
Good.
I've heard you.
Thank you.
Humdo, everybody one day you need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out outside, you'll be like sisters and star, all the spring star. Brother, make you no wonder, make you drop the pressure and come to the coffee shop.
I really could see you did it to me. You did it to me for a body. Say I love you people on me. My boy like make her go crazy. I wanna see you for me. So make her read your money. And oh man, no good on grade. You can carry your luggage. I'll find you for 4 days. And no transfer fit to contain. Your body in a package. Hey, Auntie Chibo. Chibo.
Madam Jean.
But, so, don't you get tired or something?
I mean, Sometimes I do.
But it's not showing on you.
I like to focus on the good, you know, the interactions, the people, those type of stuff.
Okay, that's good. Any tips?
That's what you want to ask, right?
I mean, you know it. Yeah, I know you've been getting tips, but yeah, my own baby. Yeah, kind. Don't be doing that. So Chibuzo. Most more coins. Oh, like a trade, you know, mommy. I'm sure that's all you know. That's what you want to ask. Anyway. Xavier. Okay, I don't know this. Why are you this? See, Xavier. You see, I'm low on tips, so I was thinking if today we could, bet again. Sylvia, let's talk.
What?
Are you scared you will lose again or something?
Okay, Jane. Let's get this straight.
Okay.
Firstly, you got lucky the last time. Secondly, I just don't like to make you feel miserable when you lose again.
Aww.
And lastly, I didn't want to hey Pikachu. So what's taken from you? You are broke.
Okay. So you mean I was lucky the other time?
Oh, no. Very lucky.
Oh my god. But I mean, this is not the first time. Maybe you know what you're saying.
Jane.
I always win.
If I didn't want to lose, I simply wouldn't.
Really?
What you're saying?
Okay, let me make this interesting. So, the loser of the next bet, gets to wash all the dishes for a whole week. How about that? You like that?
Oh, yes,
You like it?
we are talking about money. You know, are you serious?
Whilst you are busy washing the dishes, Chibuzo and I will be serving the other customers, and then your coins kakra. Think about it, okay? Think about it.
You know what? I'll think about it. But today won't be that day.
Why?
You see, I'm actually thinking of my day off. You know, how to spend my days off. Remember we Saturday So whilst I'm there, then you'll be here doing all the work. You get it? Huh?
Can I tell you something?
I'm listening.
You are so annoying. So annoying.
Jay, you know I love you too.
And I hate you. Masa, get lost. Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you. Try and find it. Try and find it. Sorry. Are you okay? Alright, so be careful.
Okay.
Watch your stuff next time. Alright.
What was that all about?
Sure.
She what?
She tripped, you saw it. She was falling.
Hey, Xavier. Wonders shall never end. You won't believe what I saw with just my naked eye.
What have you seen?
Do you remember the girl from but she came here with one old man claiming they were on a business meeting. So I and there audio before Fraba.
Huh?
One small boy like that. I mean, come just umbune baku say.
You don't say.
Who didn't remember so but the same location, same corner. She in the makeup tan and a boy in the crown. I forget the boy and him focus on bands. Like she's so
Yeah.
No cry me. You know me, my mommy never taught me this. Like me in way that.
You're all over her, she's all over you. What's that?
Come on, babe. I mean, the lady was falling.
Come on, what?
I just have to be a gentleman.
Oh.
Hey, come on. You don't have to move like that. Come on.
Never.
Where's your?
Never.
Boss.
You two seem really happy.
Very happy.
Boss, we did not see you coming.
And I was also wondering why you two are busily laughing while Chibuzo is busily doing all the work.
Say it again, boss. So say it again.
We were just about to join her at the counter.
Savior made a mistake and then we both find the sofa.
Okay then, playtime is over. Get back to work.
Okay, boss.
Thank you, sir.
Coffee shop.
This is a surprise.
Malik, you've been spending a lot of time in the lounge today.
Well, the lounge is quite busy today, and you are pretty busy too.
Oh, this a client gave me this to do some programming work for them.
A client gave you this laptop.
Yes, I'm just finishing the work for them.
And I hope it's not getting in the way of your novel.
I need to finish the job. Once I'm done with the job, I will focus on the novel.
Okay. I hope it's a decision that pays off.
It definitely will.
Well, sometimes decisions that we think are the right ones aren't always the right ones. Let me leave you to focus.
Malik.
Yes, Ashorkor.
My cup. It's almost empty.
Okay, would you like another?
Sure. But I'm craving tea this time.
Okay, sure. I got you.
Coffee shop.
Hey.
Oh wow, you noticed that I was coming.
Well, lately I've been more aware of what's around me.
More aware, eh?
I
see that's not the only thing that has changed about you, I mean.
Oh, this? A client gave it to me to do something for them.
That explains it.
What do you mean?
I mean, if you were too busy with your novel, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
There's some truth to that.
And now that you have your new laptop, I mean, there wouldn't be random freezes to wake you up when you get sucked into work?
Maybe. But these days there are other things calling me.
Calling you other things? Are you sure these other things don't have the wrong number?
No. They have the right number.
I have to get to work.
Okay.
Let me know if you need anything.
I'll be getting it in a few hours.
I shouldn't have to inform Malik before you do your job.
Oh, I'll be sure to get this one out of here on time.
Well, that's good. Or your tip wouldn't be as good.
Understood. Please enjoy.
Well, someone looks happy today.
Someone's feeling nosy today.
I don't care. I'm just trying to make conversation.
And why exactly is that, Ashorkor?
Well, because I want to figure you out.
But that won't get you money.
But it will help me understand you a bit more.
Why the sudden interest? My mistake. You know, you don't have to treat everyone like this.
Well, I don't have to treat anyone anyway. I treat people the way I please.
And you're back to square one.
Right. Well, not so many people say no to me, but you? And for that, I'll give you a modicum of respect.
You know, I'm starting to read you. You're not as confused or complicated as you want to be.
Yeah? Indeed. It's just that I don't like people taking up my space. What are you doing here?
You don't reply my text. You don't pick my calls. You aren't at any of your usual places. So I knew there was one place you go to.
So you're stalking me?
Oh, me stalking you? Look, you keep leading me, all of a sudden, bam. To only where God knows, to do what God knows, and with who God knows. Why?
Leave me alone.
Did you say that?
Yes. Leave me alone!
Okay.
Mind your business. Okay, wait, sweetheart, wait. Please wait. Sweetheart, please wait. Wait.
What, Ashorkor? What? What do you want?
I'm so sorry for what happened in there.
This is really bad, Look how angry the man was.
Look at the commotion that happened today.
This is not nice.
What is boss going to think?
I don't know.
What's all the commotion about?
But also, some buga before here.
Xavier, what really happened?
Sir, I'm sure he's exaggerating. It was just
boss, let me tell. So, boss, one angry man walked in and he screamed at Ashorkor, and Ashorkor screamed back, and the man counted, and Ashorkor also counted, and the screaming was going on.
Sir, it was just a misunderstanding. I'm sure everything is settled, man. It's a bright day at the coffee shop. Everything is fine.
Where is Ashorkor now?
She just left.
Okay. So, let's go back to work. Let's go.
Alright, okay. Why are you trying to lie to boss?
Please, forgive me.
After all you said in there?
Honey, it's not like that. You know, I've been having issues with a lot of things, disaster after disaster. And I can't even make calls because I'm having issues with my SIM card. So when I miss a call, I can't call back. Plus, I haven't even had the time to go to the telecommunications network to fix it because of work. And oh my God, work. Don't even get me started with work. Oh, it's too much pressure and stress. You know, I just lost my temper.
You embarrassed me in front of everybody over there.
Honey, but you also didn't have to come in there and attack me just like that, displaying like that. You don't do that. You could have at least waited to hear my side of the story before doing that. That was quite embarrassing and painful too.
You are right. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have jumped into conclusions. In fact, the whole issue wouldn't have arisen if I had been a little calmer. If I had behaved maturely.
Okay. Oh, sweetheart.
Yes.
I know just what to do for us to de-stress.
Oh. The usual place?
As always.
Come along, come on.
Getting late, don't you think?
Yeah, but I'm heading somewhere else before I get home.
Okay, I could give you a lift.
No, thank you. I'm going with someone else.
Someone? Oh, okay. Have fun.
Thank you, Malik. Ready?
They won't let me love. Let's go. Everybody one day will need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause I know be life. Sisters and star, all that's pink star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life. You for smile as you go. Screw face, no go pay the bill you for no. This life, yeah. Happy connection at the coffee shop. One-to-one tensions at the coffee shop. Friendly connections at the coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know, you for know. Coffee shop, you for know, you gonna know. Yo, for know. It's time to step up now. Early morning like this when you wake up now. My brother, one thing you don't forget now. Enter the coffee shop and you connect now. Happily ever after. Now you see every man is a superstar. Wild dreams on your head and you the wonder. Find someone and together you run that. Coffee shop. Say bonjour, hello friend.